is looking at acquiring Navkar Corp. As we speak, the stock has spiked up. There's a big surge that we're seeing on Navkar Corp. We'll get in further details with regard to how does this deal potentially work out and what are the contours as well of it. But Navkar Corp has spiked up. JSW Infra, the last time I checked, was more or less flattish. So I think we should pull up. Yeah, just take a look at that big volume spike out there. So Vivek will join us to fill us in.
Just a point on Navkar, it listed a couple of years ago, 3 years ago. At that time, the listing price was close to around 160. From there, it has been a big underperformer. But in the last 2 months, we've seen a near doubling of this stock from about 57, 60 odd rupees. The stock has now doubled from November levels itself. So perhaps something was in the cards or something the street was sussing out is, what the price was reflecting. But now we'll get Vivek shortly after the conversation. Okay, we do have Vivek with us. Vivek, it's a big move that we're seeing on Navkar Corp. But how much of this was, under the works already, given the stock has doubled since November?
Well, absolutely right. So this is a CNBC-TV18 exclusive that we are picking up. We understand from our sources that JSW Infra, part of the JSW Group, it handles the ports as well as the logistics player as far as JSW Group is concerned. Recently listed company. We understand that they are in advanced stages to go ahead and make an offer to acquire Navkar Corporation. At this point of time, we understand that the due diligence is at advanced stages, and it'll be interesting to see at what price this particular deal does come in. Remember, the promoters of Navkar Corporation hold a little over 70% stake in the company, and there will be an open offer that is triggered in case this particular deal does fructify and JSW Infra does make an offer for Navkar Corporations. Now, what we also understand is that January 20th is when Navkar Corporation has kept its scheduled results as far as the third quarter is concerned. Also, prior to doing this particular story, we reached out to the management of both JSW Infra as well as Navkar Corporation. JSW Infra did not offer any comment. They read our story, but they said they would not like to comment at this point of time. Navkar Corporation is yet to respond to our queries. So what does Navkar Corporation have? What are the assets as far as Navkar Corporation is concerned that interest JSW Infra? Number one, Navkar Corporation owns 3 container freight stations at the gateway port of Navsheva. So that is one particular asset that will help JSW Infra further strengthen its presence in that particular port. Along with that, Navkar Corporation also operates 2 PFTs, that is private railway terminals, for handling freight trains. So these are the assets that JSW Infra is quite keen at, and it will further strengthen their presence in the logistics space. We'll wait and watch by in case there are any more developments, and in case the management do decide to give us some further clarity on these developments.
Got it. Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Let's go back to